my total is $69. Is it a good deal, Sir Chip? $900 in Walmart alone.
No.
Yes!
That could be the record.
She did.
Para siyang magic pillow na nagpo-pop siya, but it needs 48 hours.
Nalagyan ko na ng bedsheet kasi alam naman mag-aantay pa ako ng 48 hours sis bago ako matulog. Bangag na ako. Baka psychotic na ako during that time.
Gusto ko lang pong mag-shoutout sa mga nag-comment sa pinakaunang video ko dito sa US.
Ayan, dito na kami guys sa Dollar Tree. Sir Chip, baka naman. Bilisan mo naman sis. Hey guys, we are done with the Dollar Tree and my total is $69. Is it a good deal, Sir Chip?
Best deal you've ever made in your life.
Best deal ever!
You just hit the jackpot. The mother load.
I really can't imagine the cranberry juice. You know what? The cranberry juice in the Philippines, Sir Chip, it's almost 300 pesos, which is about $6.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why is it so expensive?
That's why I'm so amazed that the Old Orchard is just $1.
This is your new favorite store.
Yeah, I guess so. And I saw in Kroger's, the Kroger brand is just $1 point something. But the Old Orchard is something like almost $3. That's why I'm so amazed. I looked at the expiration date and it's still 2023.
Wow.
Yeah.
You killed it today.
Yes,
You
I
killed it.
really like the plates. Did you see my plates?
You have the most glamorous kitchen in all of it.
But I don't have my table yet. Oh my God! Nandito na po kami sa Walmart. Malapit na. I think this one is just a small Walmart. Unlike the one in Omaha. They got a lot of Walmart in Omaha, sir.
So this one's not quite as pink.
Yeah, I think. Kababayan na naman po natin ang nabudol, mga kapatid. Oh my God, Sir Chip, I bought a lot.
Jasmine, your favorite kind of rice.
Yeah. Oh my God, I bought a lot, Sir Chip.
Yeah, this happens on every deployment. Nurses buy so much.
Yeah, I know.
Believe me, you're not the first.
Really?
Everyone does it.
You know Faith?
But you gotta remember, you're starting.
Do you know Faith? She spent $900 in Walmart alone.
No. That
Yes,
could be the record.
she did. She's the record breaker.
That's why she's crying.
Oops. Oh, thanks. Careful, Sir Chip. Go, 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 Sir Chip. Go, Sir Chip.
So yun guys, no, ayusin ko lang tong mga binili ko. Nilagay ko muna sila sa freezer. Bukas ko na lang sila ayusin ng tuluyan kasi pagod na ako guys. Ayan. Hey guys, time check. It's already 12:57 AM and still buhay na buhay pa po, pero malapit na po ang sumuko ang mga mata ko. Ngayon lang guys, ayusin ko lang yung bed ko. This is the one that we got from Zenos.com. Ayan, pero from Amazon siya na in-order. That is a queen size bed mattress. As you can see, wala pa po akong Wala pa po akong bed. I plan to buy a bed frame ng parang dun sana sa bed frame namin dun sa Tennessee. Pero sabi ko, kung mag-invest na lang din ako ng mas okay na bed, yung talagang magiging masaya na ako. So, I can still wait pa naman. I'll just put na lang yung mattress dito. Kasi naka-carpet naman siya. Yan. So, para, at kahit pa paano, comfortable pa din yung place. So, ayan, i-open natin siya, guys, ha? Ito, guys, yung mattress na kapag nilabas mo, para siyang magic pillow na nagpa-puff siya, but it needs 48 hours. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dati-dati napapanood ko lang ito sa YouTube. Ngayon ako nang gumagawa. Ay, ganda. My goodness talaga. Kailangan sumasama. Ito na siya, guys. Actually, hindi pa siya fully nagpa-puff kasi it will take around 48 hours para, my gosh, napagod ako. Para tuluyan talaga siyang mag-puff. Pero, lalagyan ko na ng bedsheet kasi alam naman mag-aantay pa ako ng 48 hours, sis, bago ako matulog. Bangag na ako. Baka psychotic na ako during that time. Hey guys, this is Mia editing this video. This is now from the future. Ayan. Hindi na siya kadugtong talaga ng vlog na to. So before I end this vlog, guys, gusto ko lang pong mag-shoutout sa mga nag-comment sa pinakaunang video ko dito sa US. And if you want your names to be included sa mga susunod po na mga shoutout po natin, just leave comments down below kasi I plan just to, you know, put your names in every end of each video. Ayan. So, simulan po natin sa my first week here in America na video. Shout out kay Sis Manilyn Gonzalez, which is, sobrang tagal na niyang nanonood talaga dito sa channel. Lagi siyang nagli-leave ng comments. And kay Rhea Joy Navales! I miss you, Ray! Kinilig ako. Tapos sa uncle ko, Ronnie Caberto, ayan, nagkakopetensya ka na po, Raymond Caberto. And then kay Sis Rosemary Sumulong, dati na rin siyang nanonood and laging nagko-comment ang batang ito. And sa aking ikit, si Jonah de Guzman Caberto. Ayan po. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you want your names to be included here sa ating shoutout, just leave a comment. Para every time po na maglalabas po tayo ng vlog, ay meron kayong pangalan sa ating shoutout. And just to, you know, mag-give back lang din kahit sa shoutout lang po. Salamat ng salamat. And then sa susunod na vlog guys, after this, it's a haul video. Sorry ha, medyo hindi siya parang lifestyle, pero haul video siya para makita nyo guys kung ano yung mga nabili ko sa Walmart, para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga ano dapat yung pocket money nyo, ano yung mga kailangan yung bilhin when you move dito sa USA. So, Walmart video, and then next will be the Dollar Tree, kasi diba nakita nyo dito sa vlog na to, nag-Walmart ako, tsaka nag-Dollar Tree ako. So, thank you so much again guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!